Alright,
Yes.
he's very...
Yes.
Yeah! What's wrong with this kid? Look at him. He doesn't even know what to do.
Yeah, really? He's like, what the fuck?
What is wrong with him? He's gonna lose his parents' crap. If that's like the heating bill or something. Look at him flying away. I'm really about to go outside and help that kid.
He's having fun. Just let it go. Don't do it. Don't put it in the mailbox. I will kill you. Don't. No. No.
He's not gonna get it.
No.
You got one in.
No. No.
What was that all about?
Yo, he cheated.
Who was that kid? Oh, I think he's that kid who goes to the Catholic school. I've seen him.
Oh my god.
He has like 2 sisters.
He is so
Dumbass.
dumb.